At Metrics, we're obsessed with meeting the needs of B2B marketers. Over the past decade, we've enabled savvy marketing teams to optimize their programs with the insights needed to identify effective campaigns. We're able to do that by having data, but it's not just any data, it's the right data you need. Unfortunately, most marketing automation tools gather a mere 10% of the data needed to accurately optimize a campaign. Then BI vendors enter the market by claiming their software will produce the insights B2B marketers need. The underlying data issues, combined with a lack of domain experience, prove too much. In short, BI tools alone simply don't work. Then came the first wave of attribution tools. These CRM bolt-ons have similar limitations as BI tools. Insufficient data fundamentally blocks them from delivering results. While more automated, a second wave of attribution tools focused solely on source tracking. While it's an essential factor, optimizing campaign performance requires far more data to make an accurate analysis. Today's B2B marketing automation tools have a data problem. Data is incomplete, data is broken or needs fixing, data is missing. Teams are spending 70% of their time mired in data wrangling in an attempt to make the collected data useful. To us, that seems insane. Stop the insanity. Introducing Metrics. Answer all your B2B marketing questions with zero coding, zero setup complexity, and start seeing results in hours. Create boardroom-ready reports anytime. No more late nights pounding on spreadsheets to produce reports. Then 30 days later, spending another late night doing it all over again. Here's what you get: marketing attribution, marketing velocity, full funnel analytics, conversion rates, account penetration, and more. Think of Metrics as an automated marketing assistant, available anytime with reports and insights your team needs to shift from a reactive marketing posture to a proactive, knowledge-driven team, enabling you to quickly tune campaigns, knowing what's working and what's not. To say the least, Metrics is transformative for you, your team, and executives demanding results. Our purpose-built sensors gather the data and relationships required to optimize marketing campaigns. Metrics then transforms the raw data into boardroom-ready reports and insights. You might be imagining Metrics is a massive application requiring months to install and even more time to train users. Nope. We can get it installed and gathering data in a day. Over a 2-week period, as data is being gathered, we work to untrain you by showing you how to create insights. In the background, our team is making minor tuning adjustments to optimize your particular environment. What about maintenance? We take care of that for you. What about upgrades? We make upgrades available on a regular basis as we create new reports or refine existing ones. How do you get started? That's even easier. Simply contact us for a demo. Metrics, how marketing analytics is supposed to work.